namamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig. Sumabay, gumakda.
Return of the shot clock. Jersey number 13. David. First personal foul, first team foul, return of the shot clock. Another violation.
We are back to the ball game. This is our third game of the day. We are witnessing our 12 under division matchup. This is a matchup between Lucas versus Kampuan Clothing. Flores on that letter gives the ball to Cruz and he launches a three. No good. Juice number 4. No good. Back to Cruz. Penetrating once again. No good. And Tan on that rebound. Fast break. Ricardo. No good. Flores with some fake traveling violation. El Perez on that letter. El Perez is struggling. The ball to Corandang. The juice number 38. 5 seconds to shoot. The juice number 44. He launches a three. It's out of bounds. Bola ng Lucas. Juice number 38 recovers that ball. Juice number 38 launches a two. No good. Salazar on that rebound. Salazar to juice number 29. 39 rather. Bondad to Salazar. Gives the ball to juice number 17. No good. Salazar is blocked. Karandang. It's a foul.
17 shot clock. First personal foul, 13 foul.
El Perez. Nakakalusot for that quick two. Here comes Salazar. What a pass. Jersey number 7.
Technical foul on Lakers basketball. Or using zone defense. 1 control, para using set of 1 player.
He's number 44. Almost loses that ball. He's number 44 on the move. No good. And he gets a basket. Kagikla. What a defense there for Kagikla. Here comes Salazar. It's the multi-face number 17. Soriano will be fouled by El Perez.
All Jersey number 48. First personal foul, first team foul.
Of course, we would like to greet a very good afternoon. Boss Bobby Rase of Lucas Basketball. Garing. On that letter, gives the ball to El Perez. El Perez dumidiskarte against Salazar. El Perez passes that ball. And Bondard with a steal against the ball to Soriano. Soriano lays it in. No good. Salazar that follow-up. No good. Sorry, that's not Salazar. It's Bernardino on the follow-up. Soriano. 3 seconds violation for Lucas. Here comes Kagikla. Kagikla will launch it. Out of bounds. Ball on Lucas. Official score is 12-10 in favor of Lucas with 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining time for opening quarter. We have a foul. It's a foul on jersey number 39. 2 shots para dito. Jersey number 7, Bernardino. First shot is good. Ring on that letter. And there's a whistle. It's a foul on jersey number 7. Bernardino. Comes jersey number 44. Kagikla spins. Launches, no good. El Perez on the follow-up, still no good. El Perez again, and still no good. El Perez still recovers that ball. Karandang launches a big three. tying that ball game. Salazar. Salazar launches no good. Salazar recovers that ball. 12 seconds. Parandang on that leather gives the ball to juice number 39. Sorry, 30. And that's the end of the first quarter. Official score is all 13, and we'll be back only here on Velvet South Basketball. Baka may lason.
Meron nga doon, matamis, malapot.
Iba yun, plus malakit.
Oo, malagkit.
Mas mapakula. Hindi matamis mapakula yun.
Tawag pa naman kasi mo sila. Sago-sago yan.
That's the guy.
Sabi ko parang ang ganda. We are back to the ball game. 19 seconds to shoot para dito sa Lucas Basketball. Manlapas. Juice number 3 loses that one. But we have a whistle. It's a foul on juice number 49. Also, Kilios no good. Also on a rebound. Also on the move. Also lays it in. Opening basket for ball game. Sorry for the second quarter of our ball game. Here comes Liam. Manlapas will be fouled.
There's a ball with Wilson number 47. First personal foul, 17 foul. 2 shots for Manlapas. There's a ball with Wilson number 27. Madamon. First personal foul, first team foul. One of the shot clock. Foul. Another violation.
Juice number 23 on that letter. And juice number 40 with a steal gets that basket. And a timeout will be called by Lucas Basketball.
Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, ginako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth.
And we have a whistle on jersey number 46.
First personal foul,
And we have a steal by jersey number 42, Pinuela. 2 points. And a very good afternoon to our courtside reporter, Shekinah Shalshir. Pinuela loses that possession. Liam. Manlapas dumiretso. Manlapas lays it in. 2 points. Steal by Lucas. Here comes juice number 3. It's too strong. Velasco recovers that possession to Liam Manlapas. Manlapas is fouled.
foul goes on the floor. 46.
Foul on juice number 46, Pinuela. And on the free throw line, we have GC number 85, Liam Manlapas.
Second personal foul, penalty.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, ginako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
We are back to the ball game. Manlapas misses.
Grabe ka na.
Jersey number 27. On that letter. It's out of bounds. bola mapupunta sa Kampuan Clothing. Comes jersey number 47, launches and gets that basket. And Kampuan is now able to extend the lead to 10. But there is a whistle against jersey number 43. Two shots for jersey number 3. We have a whistle on Madango. Here comes jersey number 49 on the letter is fouled.
First whistle foul.
And Lucas struggling on this second quarter against Kampuan. Jersey number 49 also extending that lead to 11 for Kampuan. And you can see now the new set of 5 players are getting ready for both sides. Also misses his second throw. Malapas secures the rebound. Comes Liam. Mapapalakas ang pasa dito ni Manlapas. They're now approaching the 5-minute mark. It's a fresh 5 for both teams. Let's see if Lucas will be able to answer with that run by Kampuan and cut down that lead, or will Kampuan continue their dominance on the second quarter? Jersey number 54. Tan misses that one. Jersey number 4. As it hits. No good. Cruz on that follow-up is good. Gala Nunan misses. Steal by Lucas. Here comes jersey number 15 to Cruz. Cruz saves that letter. Pero mapupunta to sa Kampuan. Here comes Tan sa ilalim. 2 points. Tan on that rebound. Gives the ball to jersey number 54. Tukare. Africa loses that possession. Here comes Cruz. Cruz finds Sibug. Sibug to Tolentino with another try. No good. But Cruz is there for the follow-up basket. And with a drawn by Lucas, mapapatay mo itong Kampon Clothing, 30-25 in favor of Kampon.
Sa Kidley, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo, yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago, niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagano.
And we are back after the timeout by Kampon Clothing. And a steal. Here comes Tolentino. Tolentino on that letter. Passes the ball to Cruz. Cutting down that lead to 3. Out of bounds. Bola ng Lucas. Too strong for Cruz. Here comes Lalamunan. Misses. Again, a huge shout out to Boss Bobby Rase of Lucas. Thank you for supporting Velvet South basketball. Here comes Cruz once again. Outsmarting that defense of Kampon. Africa misses. It's too strong. Kaya bola mapupunta sa kunan ng Lucas. A chance for Lucas to get the lead for this ball game. Here comes Sibug attacking that defense, and he gets that basket. Change favor with that run by Lucas. Lalamunan will try to answer. Lalamunan, what a pass to Tan. And they get that lead back to Kampon. Tolentino almost losing that ball. Cruz will be fouled. It's a foul on jersey number 54. It's a short one for Cruz. A chance to tie the ball game. For his second shot, we have jersey number 3, Cruz. And he ties that ball game. All 32. One minute left for second quarter. It's jersey number 54, Fix. Icaro. Sorry, it's Icaro. Icaro. Not Icaro, it's Icaro. Getting that lead back to Kampon. And Cruz will launch a big three-pointer. He misses that one. But Flores. We have a foul on Lalamunan. And on the free throw line, we have jersey number 11, Divina, shooting two free throws. So shot no good for Divina. Second shot still no good. Kara gets that rebound. We have a foul. So jersey number 11, Divina. That will be his first personal foul warning for penalty for Lucas. Lalamunan gives the ball to Tayan. Tayan to extend that lead. 2 points.
20 seconds remaining.
That's 15 seconds, and we have a whistle. It's a foul on jersey number 50. Africa for his first personal foul and a penalty for the side of Kampon Clothing. 15 seconds left, and on the free throw line we have jersey number 15, Cebu. First shot is good. It's 2 for 2 for jersey number 15, Cebu.
Yeah. 7 seconds.
Five seconds left. Here comes Cebu on that pass break. Gives the ball to Tolentino. Cruz. Couldn't get that buzzer beater shot. And it's the end of the second quarter. Official score is 36-34 in favor of Kampon Clothing.
Sila wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, ginako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
El Peñas. Eight seconds, Riley Short. Five to shoot. There's a foul on Wilson Network. 85, Fanny Llamas. First personal foul, first team foul. Sarla. As ball goes on number 39, one back. First personal foul, second team foul. Sarla. Itulah the shot clock. Traveling violation. There's number 49.
This is the start of our third quarter. We have a whistle for a traveling violation. And we're still live here at the San Pablo City Central Elementary School Amante Gymnasium. For today's basketball games for Interclub.
There's number 40.
It's El Perez on that recent basket.
There's number 49.
Also, on another basket. It's a 6-0 run by Compound Clothing. Here comes Soriano, gives the ball to Liam. Will try to answer, it's no good. Also, to jersey number 38, he misses. Still no good for jersey number 38. Follow-up is good for jersey number 38, and the timeout will be called by Lucas.
Kahinaan di tinago, niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig, nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, illegal, legal, legal, legal.
We are back after the timeout by Lucas, and it's an 8-0 run by Campon. Still no answer here from Lucas, and Manlapas finally getting a point for Lucas basketball. Also with 10 seconds to shoot, also will try to penetrate. No good. Manlapas gives the ball to jersey number 13, Divina, but he couldn't handle that letter. Also dancing against the defense. Also finds El Pedez. El Pedez on the perimeter, no good. Jersey number 32. Manlapas recovers that ball. Manlapas. You can now see the next 5 players from Kampon. Also, in the recent basket, it's out of bounds. And we are now approaching the 5-minute mark of our third quarter. Flash 5 for both teams. For Kampon, we have Tan, Icaro, Tahedar Montales, and Pinuela. Meanwhile, for Lucas, we have Salazar. Salazar, Bernardino, Madamo, Cruz, and choose number 9. Salazar gives the ball to Cruz. Cruz finds juice number 7. Bernardino will be fouled. It's a foul on juice number 54, Icaro. Sending Bernardino on the free throw line. Second shot is good for Bernardino. 9.8 para dito sa Kampon Crew ring. Montales on that leather. Montales, what a pass to Tan. 2 points. Salazar nagmamadali. Salazar gives the ball to Bernardino. Bernardino on the perimeter. No good. Cruz on the rebound. Cruz on that follow-up is good. We have a whistle on Tahedar. And a steal by Icaro. Montales loses that possession. And the ball will go back to the side of Lucas. A chance to cut down that lead. Salazar. And a steal by Montales. Montales lays it in for the fast break. And it's good. Salazar, what a pass to Cruz. But that's a miss. Pinuela on that fast break. Pinuela. No good. And an offensive foul will be called against Tahedar for a second personal foul. Five seconds to shoot. Salazar launches the 3. Out of bounds. Madamo gives the ball to Salazar. Salazar with 10 seconds to shoot. Salazar. No good. We have a whistle against Salazar. And it's a timeout by Kampon, including official score is 56-45 in favor of Kampon.
Basketball, liga.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, linako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka po, mga moves na mag-uwi.
Tanong mo si Tino kung lalaro pa siya pag nandiyan ang jersey niya. Nabigay mo na yung jersey. Nandiyan ang jersey. Tingnan mo akong dalawang jersey yun. Yung light up dark. Okay. Nine. Nandiyan pareho yun. Kanya na lang ka nandiyan eh. Oh, tingnan mo nga kung nandiyan. Yung light up dark. Oo, nandun sa plastic yung asul, kasama ng short. Oo, wala talagang short yung puti. We are back after the timeout. 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa Lucas Basketball. Bernardino to Salazar with 10 seconds to shoot. Salazar, what a pass to Madamo. 2 points. Cutting down that lead to 9. Here comes Montales on that letter. Montales gives the ball to Icaro. Icaro Lulusort answers quickly with that quick 2 points. Leonardo, sorry, that's Salazar with that easy 2. Pinuela on the letter. Pinuela gives the ball to Icaro. Icaro fakes, Icaro launches, but that's a miss. Here comes Cruz. Cruz, coast to coast, easy 2 points by jersey number 3, Cruz. Montales almost losing that possession. And a steal by Madamo. Madamo ibabato kay Salazar. Salazar to Bernardino. Bernardino will launch. That's in and out. We have a whistle. It's a foul on jersey number. It's a foul on jersey number 3. There will be second personal foul and warning for penalty para dito sa Lucas. 16 seconds left for the third quarter. Montales will try to end it. 5 seconds left for Cruz. To Torres. Buzzer beater 2-pointer. for Torres. End of the third quarter, it's 58-53, 5-point lead by Kampon, and we will be back for fourth and final quarter.
Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit. Sumabay, kumakda, tumalon, ginako, tumitres, tumilay off nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaan naging bida.
And this is our fourth and final quarter. 4-12 on the matchup between Kampon Clothing and Lucas Basketball. Here comes Lalamunan. On the move, Lalamunan launches 2 points for Lalamunan. Comes jersey number 17, Tolentino.
11 in the shot clock.
Sibug on the letter. Sibug with 10 seconds to shoot. Sibug will launch a long three. That's short. Here comes Also lays it in. Yes, sir. Salazar to Manlapas. Manlapas will penetrate inside. It's two-pointer para dito kay Liam. Manlapas. What a pass to El Pedes. Quick answer. Here comes series number 4. Flores. Salazar. Salazar with 10 seconds to shoot. Salazar to Sibug with 5 seconds. Sibug to Manlapas. Manlapas penetrates. 24 seconds shot clock violation. A 9-point lead by Kampon against Lucas. And Madamo on that steal gives the ball back to Salazar to Cruz. Underneath is good. Icaro gives the ball to Lalamunan. Lalamunan nagmamadali. Lalamunan, what a pass to El Pedes. El Pedes launches. El Pedes misses that basket. Here comes Sibug on the letter. Sibug gives the ball to choose number 27, Madamo. To Manlapas. Manlapas, what a pass. To Cruz. Cutting down that lead to 5. Pero susundot itong si Cruz. He fell. Which is number 3, Cruz. Montales on the letter. Gives the ball to Also. Also spins. Also launches. No good. Liam securing that rebound. Here comes Salazar. Gives the ball to Sibug. To Manlapas. It's a traveling violation for Manlapas. And juice number 40 mga kalusot. El Perez on the follow-up is good. Here comes Salazar. Salazar to Madamo. Gives the ball back to Salazar to Cruz. No good. And a tap by Cebu gives the ball to Liam. Manlapas attacks and he penetrates. No good. Recovered by Salazar. Gives the ball back to Liam. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Madamo. No good. Cruz on that offensive rebound and follow-up is good. Also on the leather. Also no good. Cruz secures that rebound. Gives the ball to Salazar. Pass break to Madamo. Madamo misses. We have a foul on Cebu. First personal foul and second team foul para dito sa Lucas as we approach a 5-minute mark of our fourth and final quarter. Ahidar gives the ball back to Also. We have another whistle.
Third personal foul, third team foul. Brought in on the shot clock.
And a steal para dito kay Madamo. Double dribble violation.
Ayun na. Patay ka.
Ha? Gonzalez gives the ball to Also. Also lulusot. Points para dito kay Also. And there's a whistle on jersey number 47. Montales. Montales on the lay is good. Here comes Salazar coast to coast. Salazar will be blocked by Tan. 16 to shoot para dito sa Lucas. Cebu recovers that ball and Cruz will launch a three. Salazar on that follow-up, still no good. Salazar recovers that leather. It's out of bounds, bola. Mananatili sa Lucas, 11 seconds on the shot clock. Long pass to Manlapas. Manlapas will be blocked again by Tan. Here comes Also. The press break, no good. Sibug gives the ball. Used him before. And a steal by Also. Here comes Also, nagmamadali. Also loses that possession. Cruz to Salazar. Salazar, 2 points. 7-point lead ang inaalagaan dito ng Kampuan. We're now down to under 4 minutes. El Perez, what a pass to Tan. Quick answer from Kampuan. Sibug to Salazar. Salazar, what a pass to Cruz. Comes Montales on another fast break. Montales in and out. El Pettis on that follow-up, still no good. And also for 3. No good, and the timeout will be called by Lucas. Official score 72-65 in favor of Campon Turing.
Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinoble team ka na.
We are back to the ball game. 8 seconds to shoot para dito sa Lucas. Salazar with 5 seconds. Sibog will launch a long one. Cruz on that follow-up is good. And we are now approaching the last 2 minutes of our ball game.
Lalamang ka na naman.
El Pettis. Top to shoot.
Second personal foul.
Follow jersey number 43. 14 seconds to shoot. Salazar. On the letter Salazar lulusot. And he gets a foul. It's a foul on jersey number 47. And on the free throw line, we have jersey number 1, Salazar, shooting 2. First shot is good para dito kay Salazar. Second shot no good. Cruz misses that one. 6-point lead para dito sa Campon Turing. Backcourt violation. Here comes Sibog, penetrates, get that basket like a sum of foul.
Foul jersey number 43.
It's a foul on jersey number 43, Marhanyo. And on the free throw line for his bonus shot, we have jersey number 15, Sibog. Bonus shot no good para dito kay Sibog. Madamo will recover that letter. Cruz on that follow-up, still no good. Exactly 1 minute remaining time. Salazar with a steal and Cruz will be fouled.
Foul jersey number 26. Personal foul penalty.
First shot is good para dito kay Cruz. Chance to cut down the lead to 2.
Ay, crucial.
It's 2 for 2 para kay Cruz. And a timeout will be called by Campon, including official score is 74-72 in favor of Campon. 56 seconds left for fourth and final quarter.
Liga, 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 Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing. Na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka
We are back to the ball game. After the timeout by Campon, last 56 seconds for fourth and final quarter. It's a traveling violation. Sending the ball back to Lucas. A chance for Lucas basketball to either tie the ball game or get that lead from Campon. Salazar finding Madamo to Cruz, tying that ball game. And a timeout will be called again by Campon. Official score is 74 with 43 seconds remaining time.
coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
We are back after that timeout by Campon. A crucial game between Campon and Lucas Elpedes. Lulusot kay Manlapas. No good. VRC number 54 gets that basket. My God, sound of a foul. That will be the fourth personal foul of Cruz. And on the free throw line for his bonus shot, jersey number 54, Icaro. Couldn't complete that three-point play opportunity, Salazar. It's a traveling violation. It's just a one-possession ball game. No shot clock anymore for this ball game. 23 seconds left. $18 seconds left. Elpedes gives the ball. Jersey number 49, 8 seconds left. We have a foul. On Salazar. Second personal foul and a penalty for Lucas. First shot is a miss for Also. Second shot is good, and the timeout will be called by Coach Renz for Lucas. Official score is 77-74 in favor of Camporn. 4 seconds left.
Lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. 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 Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga.
We are back to the ball game. 4 seconds left for fourth and final quarter. Out of bounds. Bola ng Camporn. And he fell on Salazar. 1 second remaining time para sa ating fourth and final quarter. On the free throw line, we have El Perez. It's 2 for 2 para dito kay El Perez. And that's it for our ball game. Final score is 79-74. Winner of the game is none other than Camporn Clothing, and our best player of the game is jersey number 49, Also. And we will be back with more basketball action only here on Velvet South Basketball.
Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ang turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo ang